This is why I love Niche Zero. By far, not a grinder or able to perform in maintenance at ease. You just need a bolt remover and a brush. Remove the collar by unscrewing. Remove the outer ring burr. Brush the ground thoroughly. Oh, don't worry about the sound. It's the espresso machine getting warm up. Set it aside. Remove the conical burr. Then, of course, brush it. Now, remove the spinner. This is the most with filth. Again, brush thoroughly. Almost there. Don't forget the base of the burr chamber. Just sweep the ground with your brush. That's simple, isn't it? Just a little bit more. You see, that much of ground came out. Unbelievable. Now, let's assemble the parts back. First, the spinner. Then, the conical burr. Often amazed by the design. Let's put it back. Then, this, God knows what's the name of this, but gotta align it with the conical burr, so the both parts would grind together. Next, the outer ring burr. Still has some on it, gotta clean it bit. Put it on the two spring slots. Now the disc bean feeder and screw the bolt. Just screw it tight enough but not over tighten. Don't forget the collar. Rotate the indicator to calibrate position. Then set it back to normal grind size accordingly. Now, all set. Ready to grind next job. So easy.